Welcome everyone. Today we will make a pixel-triggerbot, and the pixel-triggerbot will be in C#. It will work for many games. One game is CSGO. I will use CSGO for this video because it's really easy. Now let's see an example of the pixel-triggerbot. Here we are on the aimbots map. Let's take a look what happens when I hold the triggerbot key down. So the pixel-triggerbot automatically shoots at the enemy, but it all happens in the middle of the screen. This is our pixel that we have chosen. We can later check if the pixel has the same color, and if it doesn't, we shoot. Here we can see the pixel's color changed, which is the indicator to hit the fire button. Now that we know the fundamentals of the pixel-triggerbot, let's dive into the code. First we'll create a new WinForm project. Double click on the form to get to the load function. Now we'll add the needed usings. After that we will add some DLL imports and some valuable variables, such as the value for a mouse click and more. For the point you want to choose, it needs to fit your resolution and crosshair, since it needs to be outside the crosshair and not on it. The point I set works if you have the same resolution as your monitor. For the grab color function, we'll use this very nice one I found on the web. Copy and paste it into your code. The grab color function works that we create a bitmap of a single pixel. We take the pixel coordinate and put the graphics of that pixel into our bitmap. After that we'll grab the color data from the single pixel. Now we're ready to write the triggerbot function. The triggerbot function will only go further if we hold down our desired hotkey. In my application it will be mouse 5. You can choose whatever you want. We wait 10 milliseconds before we take the first pixel color. Now we'll wait once again before we take the next pixel color. Here we check if the first color matches the second color. If not, then we proceed to make a mouse click. perform a mouse click, we'll use our mouse event function. And for last, we'll wait 2 seconds before we let it run again. Now that we're done with the triggerbot function, we'll start it in a thread. Remember that you can modify this code to fit your game. It doesn't have to use the same values, have the same delay. You can have it go faster, go slower. There should be no errors now and we can start the application. Let's run this in game. Alright. So to make this easier, so let's make the move 88, speed 2, the helmet, and fast respawn. That's all. Don't hit me. Alright. Okay, so to use it, keep your mouse in the same place. You cannot move your mouse for the pixel-triggerbot to work, as you can see. So, to use the... oh yeah. It will not hit the target every time, since you might have a certain delay, you might not have it shoot at the first thing it sees, you might have it set to shoot later or shoot at a different variation, but it works good enough, I would say. So to use this good, you would hide, hold corners, just let the pixel-triggerbot do the work for you. So let's add some scrolls. So for example, there is a hallway which starts here, and you will just sit and hold out at the opening. And it's pretty much impossible for them to dry peek you if you hold a corner like this. So that's really mean. And this will not work if they throw utility or a smoke or a flash, since the color will change. So then I would just retreat and pick a new corner. But thank you guys for watching. Comment down below if you have any questions, if you want me just to respond to you, write a comment. You can pretty much comment whatever and I will respond. It's always fun to hear what you want to say, guys. But thank you for watching, and I will see you in another tutorial. See you guys.